Oh, it's been really good. About a year later, we have solar out on the RV garage, and the distance is like 300 feet. So they were having trouble reading the solar cells, not the electricity, but just monitoring it. And I called them up a year later, and they sent people out, took care of it right away. I actually installed a more powerful router so that I could monitor the system. No, their follow-up service, every time I've called them, they've been Johnny on the spot. I've been, like I said, really happy with them. Well, for one thing, every month I see how many trees I saved. It shows up on the monitoring system. So you're part of the going green, save the world type of, even though that wasn't my main goal, you are part of that. Because I'm now a positive user of electricity, not a negative user. I've reduced my footprint below zero because I have a credit at the utility company instead of paying them. So I'm actually producing more electricity. The extra electricity goes to the grid now. I'm like a mini power station here. Yeah, actually, Matt came out, sat down, actually gave me a proposal, showed me how much power they actually looked up with the power company, how much electricity I was using, what it would take to replace it, how long it took to pay it off. And when I say pay it off, that means recapture all the money that you spend. And in my case, it's about 4.5 years. The system completely pays for itself. So they did a really good job of educating me on the benefits of solar. And to be honest, if anybody looks at it, I don't know how they cannot buy solar. Because in California, it's a no-brainer. When it comes to an investment, I don't know where you can invest something, get all your money back, and then collect dividends for the next 20 years after that. Yeah, I mean, we've been really happy, and thank Peak Power for introducing us. They really didn't introduce me to solar, but they educated me, and they showed up. They followed through. They did all the right things to deliver solar.